Hello, beautiful people. Good morning. This is my usual routine. How I do wet the fluted pumpkin. So I want to get some bucket of water, and this morning I'll be adding my manure. So follow me. We're getting some water now. The manure is made up of our old video we did about pig, the pieces of pig with some sawdust. Okay, so I just want to get some water and add it up so that the ugu can get more nutrients. So follow me. So here we are. Wow, more ugu. Take a look at this. We have 4. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3, and this is 4. 4 ugu coming up. So I want to add this is my manure. So this is my manure. This manure is made up of pig feces, okay, with sawdust. If you have not watched our video where we went for pig, it's on our YouTube channel. So I'm going to add some like this. So I'm going to wet it. So that is okay. So I'll go and do the other ugu. Follow me. This one I'm not going to put much because it has not come out yet. So these two beautiful people, you see, this is the first one and this is the second one. I'm not putting so much here because it has not germinated, so I don't want to stress the ugu, but these ones have germinated. So that is it. Let me get some additional water. So beautiful people, this is our remaining manure. Okay, please, an advice: if you are wetting your ugu, please always ensure you have a very clean water. Okay, it's not necessarily it must be like pure water or drinking water, but when I mean clean water, don't let the water to have some form of oil or some soapy water. Those kind of things can kill the ugu. Just be natural water. Okay, if you live in an area where you can't get clean water, just ensure there's no chemical on it. Okay, because those chemical substance can affect the life of ugu. You just see it deteriorating, and before you know it, it has given up. So let's wet the other one. Please come forward. Beautiful people, you can see the ugu. This one is, I planted this on a different soil, so we're going to add so let me get some water. So this is our water. This is our sesame plants. That is enough. So thank you for watching. We'll be showing you more as it grows. As it's growing, the greening aspect of the ugu is coming up. By weekend, okay, would have gotten some real how it really looks like. Okay, so if you like this video, thumbs up, like, share, comment. Okay, turn up the notification bell to all, so that whenever we post a video, you'll be the first to be notified. And watch our other videos, like during when we started the planting. I believe this should be episode 3. Okay, we have episode 1, episode 2 when we planted it and when it started germinating. So now we are doing watering and adding the manure. Okay, watch our other videos. We have a lot of cooking videos, different kinds of fufu, okay, and soups. See you in our next video. Bye bye. Mwah!